Flip man, flip man, flip man, flip man, flip man. Now you got it. Ay. Flip man, flip man, flip man, flip man. Steady flipping houses. Ay. Flip man, flip man, flip man, flip yeah. Man. He know all about it. Yeah. Learn to fix and flip. Time to make some huge profit. Ay. Learn how to flip with the flip man. Give you all the info you need. He the best. You ain't got a second guess. Hit him up if you wanna see your money increase.
Hey y'all, Zeke Johnson here, also known as Detroit Real Estate Man. We had one of my flips. I want to give y'all a quick walkthrough, kind of give y'all some of the do's and don'ts, some of the good, the bad, and the ugly of the deal. Kind of show y'all what I did to the property for it to sell before I hit the market. We got full asking price. The appraisal came in A1. We got the house at a good deal. So we're gonna talk about those different points. Y'all know I got a class called 0 to 100,000 2.0. I give live classes, show you guys how to wholesale and flip. The wholesale on this deal made about $40,000, and as a flip, we probably clear over 50. So I'm gonna walk you guys through the kitchen, the bath, the living room, dining room. It's kind of dark outside, so we're not gonna be able to go outside and really see. I didn't really do much. I really didn't do my typical landscaping thing, but I did do all new windows, new doors. We repaved the driveway a little bit, and we built the deck outside. We basically, it was an old porch out there. We tore that down, rebuilt another porch, kind of like a deck and a top porch for the master bedroom upstairs. So we're gonna show you guys that. But other than that, man, it's just a quick tour of a flip we have here, Detroit area, Metro Detroit. It's the inner city, but there are some pockets in the inner city where houses go sell for higher than the median home buying price in this state. So if you guys took my class, you kind of know what I'm talking about. If not, check it out, DetroitRealEstateMan.com. Other than that, let's hit the kitchen, see what we did. No, you know what? We're in the living room, so we might as well do the living room. I'm standing in front of the fireplace here. Not too much, just painted it white, nice towel right around the surface here. We put some right here on the landing part here. Paint the inside black, something real simple, quick and easy. You don't got to break the bank, neat and nice and clean go a long way when you're doing these rehabs. So definitely don't try to, do too much. This is not HDTV. This is your own personal flip. Stay within budget, maximize your profit and go from there. So we typically went with the gray and white paint. That's what's hot in the market right now. This house had wall sconces, so we went back with some Amazon wall sconces, looked pretty neat. And then, dining room, we did a nice light fixture coming down. And then I'll show you guys the kitchen. You can follow me in the kitchen. All right, so now we in the kitchen here. The kitchen and bathrooms, we already know, sells the property. So you definitely wanna lay out a good kitchen. You can keep it basic though. Like I tell you, man, clean and neat go a long way when you're doing a rehab. So here we got some white shakers with the nice crown molding around. I love crown molding, so definitely if you do any cabinetry, top it off with some crown molding. It really stands out, and people like it. Give it that grand look. I kind of went a little different with the color coordination in the kitchen. So we went with the black handles, the black and gray mosaic tile for the backsplash. We hit them with a nice, decent granite. A light colored granite is always popping. It actually was a wall right here. We took this wall down, kind of made it a little bit more open. We were supposed to open that wall up a little bit, but we didn't. Stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, fridge. Normally, the package come with a microwave, but we're trying to be healthy now. People using convection ovens and stuff like that. So we didn't do the microwave. We did the hood vent. So definitely Amazon 197. It makes the backsplash stand out. It's just more of a grand look. When people see it, it's something different. Something you see in more high-end property. So people, buyers definitely love that. Stay with the gooseneck faucet. If you watch my other videos, we always talk about the gooseneck. So we stay with the gooseneck faucet. That's almost like a commercial kitchen type faucet. Real strong, pressure coming out. It detached, it can use it as a sprayer, single handle. People like stuff like that, man. It's different, it's black. I went with the black sink, first time I ever did that. So we got black and white going on with the color coordination. And then I switched up the tile pattern. So my contractor really was my tile guy. You know, I hired him, which was a mistake, but he ran the herringbone tile pattern here, which is, you know, stands out, you know, again, it give it that rich look that people like. So the kitchen is real nice, man. It's basic, but you know, it's grand, it stands out. And that's mainly what you want. You know, you want the granite, you want the shakers, or you definitely got the soft close on the cabinetry. So when people see that, they think money. So, you know, we didn't cut them short on the kitchen. So they love that. They coming in with a straight, when you do things like this, when people put their offer in, they coming in strong, okay? If you cut corners, try to go cheap, things like that, they may make you an offer, but it may be less than what you wanted. So, you know, I expect to sell this house for $220. We sold it for $228, okay? We got a few concessions in there, but we got more than what we bargained for. And that's about it with the kitchen. Yep, so everything's up to code. We got our GFI, stuff like that. Oh yeah, I want these different, these little pendant lights too. So all this came off Amazon, super cheap. That faucet, I normally pay about $150 for that. At Home Depot, $40 Amazon. Them lights, $20. This hood vent, $147. I don't even think they got them at Home Depot. So I definitely saved some money. Those handles are normally like $3 a piece. I got 30 of them for what, $30 or something, $40 on Amazon. So Amazon definitely came through on that. That was about all I saved. But you know, the appliances I buy a package deal from Home Depot for about $2,000. But when you add appliances to a kitchen, it may cost you $2,000 or $2,500, but you can raise the price double that. So if you was asking for $150, you got appliances $155. You know what I'm saying? I had one case where the person didn't want the refrigerator, so I took the refrigerator out. I knocked off $200. I didn't knock off anything off the price. I just took my refrigerator and put it in my house. So yeah, the appliances are always a plus, all right? So that's it with the kitchen. We're gonna go to the bathroom. So this house has 2 full bathrooms, okay? I kind of, you know, I ain't overdo it, but we kind of decked out both. So we're gonna take you to both bathrooms. Check it out, it's a stand-up shower in the tub. And then the third bathroom is a third floor with a master bedroom with its own bathroom. So we're gonna check out both of them. So that's what's next. So I'll see you guys in the next room. All right, y'all, so we're upstairs on the main level, main bathroom. So once again, very different, very creative in the bathroom. So we got a nice vanity here we put in. We put granite up here. You know, when you're selling over a certain price point, you kind of want to use, you know, upgraded material, because somebody's spending $220, $250 for a house, they kind of want some nice things, okay? Unless you're just in a beautiful neighborhood and that, you know, and the other flips are, you know, basic. So kind of look at the other flips in the neighborhood, see what the other investors are doing before you just make your decision. But I definitely went with some granite, undermount sink. I know if I pay $220 for a house, I want granite in my bathroom. We got this nice, cool faucet from Amazon, $30. That just give it a grand look. It's different. People love it. Wall sconces once again, nice little mirror in the middle. You got your stand-up shower here. What I like about this shower is the waterfall I did. So originally I wanted this towel here on the tub to wrap all the way around, kind of, you know, the typical way we all do the bathrooms, you know, just wrap the mosaic towel all around the shower and stuff like that. But we stopped it there. We ran it here in the shower here as a waterfall. And then we got a soap dish that we kind of trimmed out and give it a little accent piece. So I really like the way the shower turned out. I didn't replace the tub. A lot of times you can just glaze the tub. I got a real good tub glaze guy. Tub look brand new. The glaze lasts a long time. It's a 12-month warranty on it. The floor. So this floor is kind of different. All the buyers love this tile. It has a pattern to it. It's black and white. It just looked different. It's squares, but it's definitely different, and people do like it. If you see some little dirt, you know, in the house or little imperfections, we've been in and out. It's closing time. Inspectors came, spotted some things we had to do. So I'm gonna have my cleaner come back in and kind of lace, you know, get it back looking fresh and new. But other than that, it looked nice, man. I like the granite. You got some nice handles on the drawers. This is Amazon as well. Soft close drawers there. This was not cheap. I kind of got ripped off with this. I thought it came with a countertop. This was $600, no countertop. Then I had to pay another $300. I didn't pay about $1,000 for this. Don't do that, y'all. Don't do that. I would have been better off buying two 30-inch vanities or something here. I don't know, but it all worked out, okay? We got the property rehab. We got it sold. So congratulations, right? So other than that, so this is bathroom number 1. We're gonna go upstairs to the 3rd floor. Welcome to the 3rd floor. This is the 4th bedroom. It's kind of like a master suite, got its own private room. And then you have your own private bathroom here, closet behind you. So what we did in here, we actually went over the existing, whatever they had on the wall with 1/4-inch drywall. So we didn't gut it out, so you can save some money that way. It's all 1/4-inch drywall. We kind of had to move this wall back a little bit. There's a closet behind here to bring this nice soaking tub. You know, y'all want to get in this tub. I want y'all to see me in this tub. So, so yeah. So we got this nice soaking tub in here. This is a full body boy. Yeah, I don't even have one of these at home. So this was really nice. I got this. Was this Amazon? I don't think so. I don't know. But this was only about $400 or $500. We got the nice faucet from Amazon coming out of the floor. That's real cool. And then I did the herringbone tile pattern here on the wall. You know, it went all the way up. I normally do the whole tile around, but I just like that extra piece. So that turned out really nice. I probably could have picked a better tile, but y'all, I was tired. I was picking out material. This house was the house from hell, dealing with contractors. So, you know, but we did our thing though. It looked nice. The floor turned out good. Some nice tile. This is some real cheap tile, maybe $1.50, $2. Real basic vanity. Once you do something like this and a nice thing, the buyer don't care what else you do to the bathroom. Like this right here sells the client. Because if you know, I don't care who you are, who don't want to soak in a nice tub like this with a nice, you know, faucet like that in the tub. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. This is the master bedroom. And this is pretty much what I'm showing you guys, man. So this is how I do all my flips. I kind of just make it, you know, what would I want, you know, if I was spending this kind of money? You know what I'm saying? And that's how I think about it. The material is not really expensive. It's just how you present it, how you do it, you know, how you coordinate things. You know what I'm saying? Like this mirror here, got a little nice shelf on it. People like little stuff like that. You know, they like the little single hand faucet, the little waterfall faucet downstairs, just things different. This right here was an issue at first because a normal toilet here would have intruded the walk space. So you have a really thin walk space here, but it's not that bad. You know, it's just not the main bathroom. It's your own personal area. So there's enough room, you know, for somebody to walk through. Other than that though, I really like the way it turned out. I really like the light fixture. I added this, I didn't really have to, but this is it. This is really my pride and joy here, this tub here. This tub is magnificent, you know, with the tile here. So other than that, man, my camera guy gonna let you guys see the rest of the house. We got new windows all throughout the house, new doors, new 6-panel doors, new doorknobs. I went with carpet, really didn't want to, but the hardwood was warped downstairs, so we just carpeted throughout. Don't do that. If you got hardwood, stick with hardwood, okay? Other than that, y'all, that's it. So I'll see you guys on the next flip. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you purchase my class. Click the link below if there's one. If not, check out my YouTube channel, Detroit Real Estate Man, Instagram, Detroit Real Estate Man, and Facebook, Detroit Real Estate Man. All right, see you guys in the future.
Flip man, flip man, flip man, flip man, flip man, now you got it. Ay. Flip man, flip man, flip man, flip man, steady flipping houses. Ay. Flip man, flip man, flip man, flip man, yeah, he know all about it. Yeah, learn to fix and flip. flip, time to make some huge profit. Ayy, learn how to flip with the flip man. Give you all the info you need. He the best, you ain't gotta second guess, hit him up.